This is how I achieve butterfly locks. As you can see, her hair is already parted and gelled. And that hair I'm using is a Marley hair. I braid it close to her scalp as possible just to get that really neat part. And then after braiding it for a little bit, you can see I loosely twist it. Really loosely twist it. Not till the end, I just stop at a certain point. And then I use the waterwave hair to wrap it around. That's waterwave, Freetress waterwave. Wrap it around. As you can see, I make sure I wrap it close enough to her scalp just to make it look really neat, you know. Now I'm trying to twist it as closely as possible to the first twist. You see my thumbs going in there? It's just trying to give it the distressed look. You know, the distressed look. You can see I'm trying to loop it, my thumb in, keep wrapping while trying to loop again, wrap, and trying to loop. So basically the process is wrapping and looping, and that gives it the distressed look. As you can see, the hair that looks like it was carelessly left out. That's the idea behind butterfly locks. You can see. Okay, so I make sure I keep wrapping this, and any opportunity I get, like, I try to loop it again. So I'm still wrapping right here. Then at this point I loop and wrap, loop and wrap. That's the point of butterfly locks. Basically, I call it distress locks too. So just keep watching. Keep watching. Closer to the end, you see the technique I use. I'm not burning this, neither am I using a glue, but I wrap it towards the end to the length she was comfortable with. That's my client was comfortable with. Then I went back around to wrap it up. So you can see I wrapped it up to the end, and now I'm going back up with the same motion, going back up. And at some point I also distress as well, create a loop and wrap it back up, and you see it will be all secured in the end. So I never leave the tip out. I make sure I put the ends all wrapped up in, and that keeps it secured. And you can see I make sure the ends are looking really neat. I trim off the excesses. And that's how I achieve butterfly locks. You can see I was halfway done with the hair at this point. Just showing you how it all looked on the back. I make sure I'm consistent with the size of each of the strands. You can see, closely look at the distress, closely look at it. That's the idea behind it. And now I'm all done. She got a middle part, as you can see right there, consistent with the sizes of each braid. And that's Distress butterfly locks for you. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.